Essential for gaming laptops as they connect CPU, GPU, RAM storage, ensuring performance stability, upgradability, and efficient power distribution system. My today's video is about top 5 best laptop motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at PROSC's laptop motherboard, the CN0792TG/0792TG/792TG motherboard presents itself as a reliable replacement solution for users seeking to restore or repair their laptop system without investing in a completely new device. Each unit undergoes professional inspection and thorough pre-shipping testing, covering essential components such as display output, keyboard interface, battery recognition, Wi-Fi connectivity, USB ports, and other critical connectors, ensuring stable and full functionality upon installation. While it may show minor cosmetic signs like small scratches or dents due to prior use, these do not affect performance or reliability. The board is designed to be fully compatible with matching part numbers, so careful verification of the original motherboard is essential before purchase. Backed by 90-day replacement or refund policy, it offers reasonable post-sale protection and customer support. Now our second product is DXPILY laptop motherboard. The Dell Latitude 3140 motherboard, 0KD66X/KD66X, IDB10LA-M501P, is a dependable replacement option designed to restore full functionality and stable performance to your laptop. Built for precise compatibility with the Dell Latitude 3140 series, it ensures smooth integration without the risk of system conflicts when matched correctly. Powered by an Intel N200 CPU with 8 GB RAM support, the board delivers efficient multitasking, responsive performance, and reliable everyday computing for office, study, and general use. The clear part number identification 0KD66X/KD66X makes selection and replacement straightforward, reducing installation errors. Additionally, the included 120-day warranty provides strong confidence against manufacturing defects, offering peace of mind after purchase. However, buyers must carefully verify their device model and compare product images before ordering to ensure exact compatibility. Our third product is WGY laptop motherboard. This motherboard service emphasizes strong compatibility assurance and customer support, making it a reliable choice for laptop repairs and upgrades. By focusing on precise part number matching, it helps prevent common installation issues that arise from incompatible components. Customers can provide their device service tag for accurate motherboard verification, ensuring the correct replacement is selected before purchase. Each unit undergoes full quality certification, including rigorous testing of ports, connectors, and overall functionality to guarantee stable and seamless performance after installation. A standout feature is the dedicated installation support, where technical experts offer real-time guidance to assist users until the setup is successfully completed. Additionally, the product is backed by a 6-month warranty, providing protection against manufacturing defects and enhancing long-term confidence in reliability. Now number 4, LiCi laptop motherboard. The LiCi motherboard is designed as a practical and cost-effective solution for users building or repairing a personal computer system based on Intel Core 2 Duo processors. With support for SATA 3 system bus standards, it ensures improved data transfer efficiency for compatible storage devices, making everyday computing tasks smoother and more responsive. The board includes 2 memory slots, allowing users to expand RAM capacity for better multitasking performance and system stability. Equipped with 2 USB 2.0 ports, it provides basic yet functional connectivity for essential peripherals such as keyboards, mice, and external devices. While it is not intended for high-performance or modern workloads, it serves well for legacy systems, office use, and lightweight computing needs. Manufactured by LiCi, this motherboard focuses on reliability and simplicity. And our last choice is Lionston laptop motherboard. This Dell Latitude 3330 motherboard, 0M90KV/M90KV, is a dependable replacement option designed to restore full system functionality with OEM-level compatibility. Being an original brand new unit, it undergoes strict and thorough testing before shipment, ensuring stable performance across key hardware functions and reducing the risk of early failure. It is fully compatible with the Dell Latitude 3330 series, making it a direct fit solution for users needing a reliable motherboard replacement. The clear manufacturer part number 0M90KV/M90KV helps users accurately identify and match the correct board, minimizing installation errors. Buyers are advised to carefully verify product images and part numbers before ordering to ensure perfect compatibility. Backed by a 120-day warranty from Focus, it covers common manufacturing defects such as DOA, display lines, video failure, and backlight issues. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.